Hi, this is Sean Gray from Texas. I'm calling in to give my testimony about the 4L60E I bought for my 96 Chevrolet pickup. We live in Texas and we do a lot of towing and hauling out in the country. I can tell you that this is the best transmission that I've had put in my truck. I did do a bunch of rebuilds and all that with the local dealers, and nothing seemed to work quite as well as the monster transmission that I ordered. Speaking with Grace, she's kind enough to help me out with another one for another pickup truck that I'm putting together. The first one is working so well that I just decided to go ahead and stick with the best and order another one. The thing I like the most about it is either way I'm going to spend about the same amount of money, whether I have one pulled out and rebuilt and put back in, or I do the labor and get a better product. And for me, that's the most important thing. I mean, I don't mind doing a little bit of labor, and if I'm going to get a superior product with a little bit of sweat equity put into it, then for me that's the best bang for the buck. Like I said, there's just no better for me and for what I do. I mean, I tow. I don't even have to take it out of overdrive and just haul down the road and not even have to worry about anything. So if you're thinking about which transmission to go with, then I would highly recommend Monster Transmission. It's the best one that I've had.